Jatin Parikh, a second-generation entrepreneur, took over the reins of a business his father, Mr. Gopal Parikh, started in the 1960s as a trading firm. Jatin began showing interest in the business during his late teens. With a joint family decision, they ventured into manufacturing, seizing the opportunity presented by India's economic reforms in 1991.
We were not getting the license to run the company. So luckily in 1992, the de-licensing happened in the government of Finance Ministry with Manmohan Singh.
Using internal accruals and bank limits, they set up a steel rolling mill in Taloja, Navi Mumbai. While pursuing his final year of BCom at Podar College and a CA course, Jatin's growing involvement in the business led his father and uncle to advise him to focus solely on the operations. By 1992, he was fully committed to the business, which was then achieving a turnover of Rs 5 crores in trading. Jatin named the business Fortran Steel, inspired by Fortran programming language, symbolizing the transformation of steel to new levels. Transitioning to manufacturing was challenging, especially with India emerging from the quota license Raj, facing significant labour and union issues. In their second year of operations, labour challenges led to a lockdown, creating stress within the family due to the substantial resources and finances already invested.
And the local labour was quite against us, to whom we were giving every Saturday the samosa. And the next week they started hi owner, hi Seth, hi XYZ name. And it was literally disturbing for every one of our family members.
Determined, Jatin built a new team, kept it away from unions and fought cases in court. Within 3 months, he reopened the unit, hired technical consultants and stabilized the process over the next 3 years. By 1996, the 22-year-old Jatin had built a Rs 10 crore manufacturing business, boosting his confidence.
So my focus was clear now that I have to manage this as a manager, not as an owner. So I started giving my 100% to this industry.
However, in 1997, a setback occurred with an unviable scrap metal deal, having long-term financial impacts. Embracing change, Jatin used this adversity to innovate and improve, marking a decade of growth. With a proactive approach, Jatin visited numerous clients to understand their operations, offering tailored solutions to optimize processes and reduce costs. As demand surged, they expanded manufacturing capacities, acquired adjacent lands, and initiated new projects, strengthening client relationships and ensuring a steady influx of orders.
In particularly 10 years of our first 10 years, we could buy not many lands just near to us. Then in that particular land, we could add our manufacturing capacities. And these manufacturing capacities in turn gave support to our clients. And these clients were continuously giving us orders.
Their client base diversified, spanning government departments, PSUs and OEMs in sectors such as power transmission, automotive and infrastructure, with notable collaborations with Mahindra, Tata, Piaggio and Force Motors. To stay ahead, the business consistently innovated, diversifying its product portfolio to meet market needs, from wire drawing to CO2 MIG wire and bright bar manufacturing. Client engagement was key, with regular interactions and a key understanding of requirements, enabling continuous refinement of offerings.
Every 2 years, 3 years, we started with another project in wire drawing, where the material goes for around thousands of products in nails manufacturing, fasteners manufacturing, and barbed wire manufacturing, bucket handle manufacturing.
Jatin's brother also joined the business, focusing on modern marketing initiatives and becoming early adopters of digital marketing. A Rs 1 crore digital marketing lead reinforced their confidence and laid the foundation for technology adoption. Recognizing the importance of reaching a wider audience, they established a robust online presence through social media, a professional website, and a dedicated marketing team.
So digital marketing, we started in 2009 and we closed one single business of 1 crore rupees from digital marketing, advanced payment. And that gave us a different thought process altogether. Okay.
By 2012, the business achieved the rupees 100 crore turnover milestone. In 2015, a business split occurred, with Jatin retaining the manufacturing business and his brother taking over the trading side, a decision made cordially with clear provisions from their father. At 41, Jatin was confident about growth prospects, emphasizing continuous learning. The business invested in training programs and sought mentorship from industry leaders.
Mr. Santosh Nair, Mr. Parimal Marcham, Mr. Jagdish Joshi, Shiv Khera. There are some of the leaders to whom we communicated for business growth and business knowledge. And they helped us in the seminar, they helped us on a one-to-one basis how to take this organization to next level.
Key focus areas included honing negotiation, delegation, and networking skills, fostering collaborations, and unlocking new opportunities. Embracing delegation and empowering talented individuals led to a surge in productivity and innovation. Creating a modern, export-oriented office space in 2015 marked a significant turning point, attracting top talent and expanding global reach.
Luckily, I got the support and knowledge from Mr. Chanakya, Mr. Radhakrishna Pillai. He told if you want good talent to come to your office, you should have a proper office. You should have a proper arrangement in your office. Why they will come to you? Why they will come and work for you for 12 hours over here? So this is the game changer.
Strategic alliances with renowned steel manufacturers and a focus on quality and innovation facilitated entry into new markets and industries, leading to exponential growth. The business penetrated pan-India markets, secured contracts with major clients, and expanded into sectors such as pharma, automotive, and infrastructure. Fortran Steel also established a strong export presence, reaching over 25 countries worldwide. This international expansion is bolstered by overseas offices in Dubai. Additionally, plans for a stainless steel plant in Gujarat are underway, which will further diversify their product range and enhance manufacturing capacities. Fortran Steel now offers a wide spectrum of products, including MS flat bars, square bars, round bars, hex bars, bright flat, square and round bars, MS wires, HP and HHP, and annealed and binding wires from GI and MS. The company has crossed rupees 450 crores in financial year 23-24, with the next milestone being an IPO to create and share wealth. Jatin Parikh's journey exemplifies the relentless pursuit of excellence, adaptability, continuous learning, and strategic collaboration. By leveraging networking, mentorship, and a commitment to quality, Fortran Steel has positioned itself as a frontrunner in the competitive landscape, poised for sustained growth and impact on a national and international scale.